Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Alif Haziq bin RASLAN, metric number 1725971, and I am here to present my final year project, which is design and development of low-cost device with smart Qrcode generator for attendance system. Attendance tracking is for keeping track of a person's presence, whether in an organization such as school, universities, or work organization. The conventional methods of tracking attendance are writing signatures on an attendance list or calling out names on the beginning of the class. These methods are tedious and brings a lot of disadvantages as they are time-consuming. Therefore, using a QR device attendance tracking system can solve these issues. The problem statement of this project consists of three, which is the attendance tracking system, the COVID-19, and the Qrcode. The conventional attendance tracking performed in most systems have flaws. This is due to the methods are being tedious and brings a lot of disadvantages as they are time-consuming and easy to cheat. The second one is due to the pandemic. Some conventional methods such as passing down the attendance list is no longer a viable option as close contact could pass down the disease. Third, the QR code can be shared to other individuals even if they do not attend the class or the facility. To alleviate this problem, a low-cost device is going to be designed and developed. The focus of this project is first, to investigate the current research on QR code attendance system. Second is to develop a device for a smart QR code generator. Third is to test the feasibility of the device with a simple attendance application. The proposed mechanism of the device will start with the user scanning the temperature. If the temperature is below 37.8 degrees Celsius, the device will start generating QR code using Arduino. It will then be displayed on a screen with the temperature of the user and the QR code. The user will then scan the QR code, which will then be marked through a simple application. To implement the project, the proposed approach is intended to be more cost-effective, accurate, and straightforward to deploy. Therefore, most of the components used are low cost and efficient. The components of the QR code device are an Arduino Uno Rev3 board, a MLX90164 infrared temperature sensor, and an SSD OLED display. The Arduino board is used to generate the QR code on the OLED screen by taking the input of the temperature sensor. The MLX90164 temperature sensor is used in order to get the value of the temperature of the user. The SSD1306 OLED display is used to display the generated QR code. In order for the device to display the QR code, we first need to convert the image of the QR code. The Arduino Uno is not able to compile a raw image of the QR code and display it on the OLED. To make it do so, we need to convert the QR code of the attendance form to a bitmap array in order for the Arduino to display the following image in the OLED. There are two steps in converting a PNG into a bitmap array. First is to convert the PNG image into a BMP format. After converting the BMP format, we then need to convert the BMP format into a hex array which will allow the Arduino Uno to convert the hex array into an image of the QR code on the OLED display. Through the schematic design, the QR code device is ready to set up and wire with the same configuration. The device is then powered by a USB cable and uploaded with the Arduino code. After the device is being powered, it is ready to be used by the user. Here are the two phases after the users have scanned the temperature. If they are below the 37.8 Celsius, the user is granted access and will be displayed the temperature. The user will then be prompted with the QR code for 5 seconds in order for them to scan the QR code with their smartphones. However, if the user temperature exceeds 37.8 Celsius, the user will then be denied access and will be displayed with the temperature. After the users have scanned the QR code, they will be prompted to a Google form where they will need to key in their first name, last name, and metric number. After they have submitted the attendance record will be shown in a spreadsheet where the attendance will be recorded. For the conclusion, the low-cost QR device is designed and developed. However, since the accuracy of the temperature sensor is very sensitive to the environmental temperature, the user may require to scan the temperature more than once. In the future work, in order to gain more accuracy on the temperature reading, extra components such as a PIR sensor can help reduce the sensitiveness of the temperature sensor. The QR code is non-confidential due to it being only able to store information. Therefore, the only way to secure the QR code is to set a timer after the temperature has been read. That is all from me. Thank you.